Hey everyone, it's Trader Rob. Today is Sunday, April 27th, and I want to go over this week's key weekly levels and see the reactions to our tradable levels and our weekly bands from last Sunday. They had really nice reactions throughout the week, and I can expect here some pretty good trades coming up this week as well. Let's get into that right after the intro. As always, nothing that I state on my channel is financial advice. Trading futures or any type of trading is risky business. Any capital that is put out there is at risk for loss. So first off, obviously a little change of venue. I am in my place down in Florida, so I come back tomorrow morning. But I wanted to put out this video just to, for those that are following the weekly levels and that are trading in the signal service and my tradable levels that I post each Sunday, I wanted to still create this content here for you today because I know that a lot of you find it valuable, which I appreciate. Looking at the ES, it's going to be a little bit of a condensed video. Sorry, it's not my normal setup, so the camera might be shaking here just a little bit. But we've got a band above us on the ES from 5,600 down to 5,565. Same band from previous Sunday. We have not got there. We actually touched into it on Friday, Friday late afternoon, and rejected off of it. We got a band below us from the 5,409 down to the 5,379. That is a new band that was created this week through price action. And if we take a look below us, I don't think we've got another. Let's see if I can. There we go. We've got a band down here sitting at 5060 down to 5024. And then above us, obviously, we have this band that I just talked about. And then we've got another one at 5776 down to 5730. Point of control is pretty much sitting right above us at that 5665. So this is obviously going to be an area where we're probably going to see some reaction. And then as far as tradable levels, this is a level at 55.47 that I posted on Friday morning in my Discord. That is free. You can see every single morning I map out the ES and the NQ, and I post that in my levels channel, and that is completely free. You guys can, take a look at it, compare it to the levels that you are mapping out, and then obviously I incorporate volume control. Volume profile I incorporate into the video, and that's where I really get my entries, my exits, and my take profits, and that's how I find areas where I feel that we are going to get some good reactions. So if we take a look here down here, we've got the level I posted on Friday at 55.47. This was pre-market. This was a pretty strong level. We had the tradable level at 54.65 that I posted on Sunday. Again, just an area where we had a lot of reaction to. So we've got a tradable level that's sitting between this upper band that's at the 55.80 right here, and this is an area that I can see on Monday or Tuesday. If we can tap into it, we should definitely see a reaction here, and then a tradable level right above it at 56.13. So those are two areas on the ES that I would definitely be looking at. If we take a look at the NQ, let's bring this down just a tad. There we go. We got a band sitting above us from 19,730 down to 19,668. This is this upper band right here, where right above where price action currently sits. And we pretty much closed, or we closed right above this band that I gave you guys at 19,527 down to 19,446. As you can see, we had a really hard time getting through this band. Had to pump down through it, and then we finally did break through on Friday into that upper band. We have a band below us at 19,370 down to 19,313. Got a level here at 19,176 that I'm definitely going to be looking at if price action can get there. And then where I guess obviously you see a lot of congestion. Let's see if I can blow this up here. Yep. We've got a band at 18,817 down to 18,730. Got a level there at 18,803 that I would really look at to see if price action can have some reaction to. And then our point of control is sitting right above that band. So those are what I will be looking at during this upcoming week. And on the NQ, some other tradable levels. You've got one at 19,411. So let's see. Sorry, I'm shaking the camera here too much, but so let's go to 19,411. Put this in white. Right there, and then we'll dot it. Okay. So we got that level 19,411. Remember, that's a tradable level on the NQ. And then 19,340, which is going to sit right in between this band here. So let me pop that one in. And that is at 19,340. Again, we'll make this white. Dot. All right, so that's your other tradable level here for this upcoming week, 19,340. You got another one at 19,411. So, and again, you bring those down to the 1 or 2 minute time frame, even the 5 minute time frame. Wait for some confirmation off of those. I have some videos on my confirmation candles that I use personally on my levels trades. And again, if you want to follow how I create the levels, how I incorporate volume profile, how I incorporate the volume profile into, that's not what I wanted to do. There we go. Let's shorten this up. Sorry, I'm on my laptop and it's just not as smooth as being at home, but that's okay. At least I'm in the sun. Yeah, so how I incorporate volume profile, which is honestly the number one tool that I am using that has just completely changed around my trading, and makes the entries, my take profits, and my stop loss just jump out at me when I'm trading. So, you know, there's a video linked in the description that shows you guys how to map those levels out each day. Again, you can join my Discord. It's free. You can see the levels that I come up with in the morning, about an hour before the market opens. And if you're looking for an additional, I have a signal service on my Discord. You could join that through YouTube or through Discord. And then that will obviously give you the same levels that I'm looking at, but with the actual entry, take profit 1, 2, and my stop loss. So with that, I will keep you guys updated and come out with a midweek review on Wednesday. Happy trading, everybody.